Hey guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and my grandson Noah.
Hi.
And we're up here to look at some hot rods. We're in downtown Dodge Center. I guess you know this isn't your normal Chevy small block in here. The size of the meats on the back of that, huh? Some big tires. I love a classic 66 Malibu 396 with Traeger mags. This 62 Chevy Nova.
I'm over here. You can do my picture over here.
Yeah, I could take a picture of you taking a picture of me. How's that?
I've done that before too a few times.
Silly man.
Here you go, 62 Chevy Impala 2-door. It's got a man stick in it. Very nice.
That's the only, we want to stay on blacktop. You can't come to Salem because we got that road closed. Yeah.
This is a 67 Malibu. This one has 350 in it. They're clean. 69 SS 396. What do you think, Noah? Which one do you like? It's pretty nice. I see this car here on the left, Noah. That 54 Chevy. That was my first car, was a 54 Chevy. Mine was a 2-door Del Rey. Mine was blue. Pretty nice. This is for you, Dan F. Howe. Not quite as big as yours, for sure. But nice. Very nice. And Mr. Heavy Chevy, check out these stacks. Huh? I like your mounting point better. He's got his mounted right to the back of his cab. Very nice. And then here's another utilitarian truck. Terry's Towing. Same color, except it's a Ford. I used to drive a 51 Chevy dump truck, a little bit bigger than this one. Same kind of setup on it. This Oldsmobile 88. Classic, red and white. Continuing on down Main Street. See what else we can see here in Dodge Center. Take a look underneath the hood and see what's under there. Take a look under the hood. Peek in there. See what's under there. Is the motor missing? You know why? Because the motor's in the back on this one. If you could see down underneath the louvers, that's where the engine is. Pro-streeted 55 Chevy. Some monster meats underneath the back. Yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. Looks like this was, well, I don't know what it was. Maybe a Pontiac? It's got a Chevy W motor.
It's because it's an electric fan.
It's either a 348 or a 409. Look at the custom work on this thing. This has been totally customized. That's why it's hard to tell what it actually is. Let's look and see what it says on the sticker. '55 Chevy.
It's an electric fan.
Let's take a look at the back end. So, Noah, come here. You look at the back end of this one. This car here started out with a It's exactly the same car, but they totally changed the back end around. And the front end. You can't tell it's a 55 Chevy anymore. Nice Pontiac Firebird here. All dressed up. Yeah, now that's a hot rod. That's a 32 Ford 3-window coupe. You don't get much more hot rod than that, you know. Chrome front axle. Wow, look at this. 409. She's real fine, my 409. 62. Nice. Classic custom. 409 chrome wheels. Yeah, check this one out. Look at the paint job on this one, Noah. This is a 47, I'm thinking. A 48. Very nice. Cool paint job. Just gotta love those flames. Look at that. Sparkle. That's Camaro there. I had one of those back in the day. Mine was white with a black vinyl top. Wasn't quite this clean under the hood though. This one's built for some serious performance. Got the aluminum heads. Nice. Studebaker Champion. There's a big, massive car right here. Cadillac. Customizers used to like to use those LaSalle grills. Customizing back in the day. Nice 34, 35 Chevy. Okay. Hey, for all you Volkswagen fans, check this one out. She's dumped in front. It's a 57. Nice two-tone wheels. That's kind of a nice touch. And I don't think it's the original 67, 57 motor. Nope, definitely not. Dual port. And carburetor on it. Looks like that might even be a, I was going to say a Weber, but I guess it's not a Weber, but it's a 2-barrel carburetor. Pretty nice. Gotta love those oval windows. Fellow that I used to work for back in my mechanicing days was always into 62, 63 Corvettes. He had a white one like this, very much like this. 327, very clean, very nice car. Rod fans. Looks like a beater. Take a look under the hood. I'd say we got some serious performance going on here. Complete with a Paxton supercharger. Yes, sir. That's some heavy-duty muscle under there. 67 Dodge Dodge. I'd say she's set up for racing.
Yeah, that's gotten very
Not for
popular
show.
now that she shows
Yeah.